Drop it.
Yo, what's going on, my friends?
What's up, you yellow traffic light running motherfuckers? How we doing? Dude, I want to trade more today, but everything in terms of like risk management is telling me to stand the fuck down.
So you're getting
Like,
overly confident. You're getting overly confident.
It's not that. It's just I know that when I'm up this much to fucking stop.
What are you up? 3.4%, right?
Let me look. I think it's 3.4. I gotta check again, see if it flickered around.
All right, just take a page out of Rim Job Rita. Not Rim Job Rita. Take a page out of Rita. She stops at 3.5.
So do I.
There you go. That's all you need to do.
Oh, fuck you, spy.
I want to
what
look
a day,
at,
though, man.
What I want to do is look at an alert here. 1 second. 1 second. Okay. That is one that is playing out rather well. 1 second. Go ahead. Ooh.
Uh-oh. Sad says he messed up. What'd you do?
What'd you do, sir?
I'm guessing this is a risk management fuck up. What'd you do?
What'd you do?
3.6 is the line to double your account every month. Oh, don't tell me that, Chris. See, money's up 18% on the day. Jesus.
That's wild, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Swingins, didn't you hold stuff overnight? Again, guys, it's all risk management. If you fail to manage risk, you're just going to fail. So that's why we harp on risk management so much. I mean, you're watching me deal with it right now. Should I be trading anymore? No. Am I right now? No. So I should hold myself to that and say, no, put the fucking phone down. You're up a lot. Don't do anything else. Come back tomorrow, hit some more traffic lights, and then go to the playground. That's really all it is.
Yeah, I want to show you guys something. I'm scrubbing against the broken traffic light alerts from 2 days ago.
Yep.
A lot of them
I bet those are fucking dirty.
Dude. All right, so I'm looking at CNP, and it's well on its way. Looking at the chart here, we got CNP, which alerted. This is the daily here, guys. You got your traffic light here. Pretty much on, it's almost a doji candle, right? But the thing is immediately, right the next day, you get a break up to 200. You could say, all right, damn, the 200's right there. It gave me more than I deserve. I'll close that position. However, it is still making its move down on the daily. This is actually a good thing. You know, for those who are getting those broken light alerts, and some of you are playing them, congratulations, right? This is our 9 to 5 solution, and you stand to make a lot of money, right?
I know a lot of you guys were killing it this morning too. I mean, people were like, "Oh, I'm done for the day at like 9:40." I was like, "All right, well, a lot of you guys are really quick in and out, done. You make your money and you leave, which is good."
That's it. So, let's see. Meta is at 141, which is what it was at last earnings. That it tanked under 100. Don't assume that the stock has any obligation to repeat what it's done in the past, right?
Right. And Swingins, which traffic lights did you take? Because I traded traffic lights today on the SPY, and I killed it. I don't know what you were looking at. What? And again, it's going to be a risk management issue too. This is why I say, I mean, if you were on the 1 minute, you're not supposed to be trading on the 1 minute unless you are super, super, super laser focused, super disciplined, emotionally in control of your emotions and able to manage risk.
Yeah.
You were up $50 on a put, but didn't take it and lost 90. Don't let green trades go red. That's why we defend our profit and use the stop loss strategy. Guys, every single issue that I see you guys run into is covered in the learning curriculum. That's why we have those videos out for you guys. You gotta listen to them. You gotta put those into practice. It's all out that we say these things for a reason.
Say these things for a reason. For those in the stream, for those who hit their 1% goal for the day, can we get thumbs up here?
Yeah, let's see. How we doing, team? Who's up over 1% on the day so far? I did that this morning, and it was just a sea of thumbs up.
Oh, man. That's right. Life wisdom, make a play and play defense. For those who are just learning the system, we don't expect you to make any money without watching the tutorials. All right.
Dev's up 50%. What the fuck did you do, Dev? Jesus.
Look at these people. Look at these thumbs.
Look at that, dude.
Yeah. Keep them coming. We got 148 viewers on the stream. Like, Jesus Christ. Come on, man. We need more people. Anyways.
Dude, those are some big gains. I mean, I see the gains over here, team. You guys are killing it. Again, but trade with proper risk management, though. I'm gonna be a broken record with this. I'm gonna like literally dream about saying the words risk management because of you guys. Which it helps me too. Because again, everybody's got to manage the risk.
All right, STV, what I want you to do is send me an audio clip of saying like risk management in a degenerate voice so I can add it to the soundboard. Just
okay, I will.
All right.
I'll do it in the Batman voice. Risk management.
No, that sounds like you're constipated. Don't do it that way.
Oh, okay. So I'll find a new voice to do it in.
Yeah, please.
I think it would scare people though. That's the point of it. I feel like it would be good at scaring everybody.
The winner says negative 4.2. True story. You fucked yourself up, bro. Like, what are you doing? Why would you allow yourself to lose 4.2% of your portfolio?
Yeah. Why? That's literally. What did you do?
What are you doing here, bro? Jesus. The winners, you need to understand that by suggesting you lost 4.2% on your portfolio. You're not making me look bad. You're making yourself look stupid. Right. And I'm going to be hard on you.
How the hell did you do that today? The traffic lights were right there in front of you. I traded almost all of them. I don't get it.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my, oh my. All right. So let's get some tickers in here and then we're going to open up the line so you guys can call in. So yeah, let's go ahead and look at the chart here. We have, see, this is where I have a hard time believing anyone could fuck this up. You got a traffic light here on the SPY on the 5-minute that gave you an indication. All signals pertaining to the rules here. MACD cross, printing green on the histogram, RSI above its moving average, RSI above 50. These are things we talk about. Price action below the 200, so you still are biased to puts, but you knew that this 200 level here was going to act as a level of which it rejected from, unless it had enough momentum to do so. It just didn't. But this traffic light had you paying all the way into this cross. I mean, the only way to fuck this up is to go ahead and like just do things your own way.
Yeah, like if you're playing the 5-minute traffic light on the SPY, there's no way that you would be getting stopped out there unless you decided to say, I'm smarter than the market, or I want to do the things that the opposite of what SCV and Gabe say and play 0 days or something crazy. But the winners does say true. It was all him. Yeah. I mean, again, man, you gotta manage risk. Make sure you're watching those risk management videos that we put out for you guys.
Yeah. And guys, yeah, we're gonna have some people saying like, you know, I made 76%, et cetera, et cetera. That's great. Just understand that those are anomalies and that's not how we play. But if something gives you more than you deserve, for instance, let's just say this play here. You get a traffic light, you jump in. You break above, now you're defending the 48. You break above this level, now you're defending this level right here, right at 396.65. Then you get to the 200 and you have a critical decision to make. Right? You okay over there, bro?
Somebody in the live chat just said, do we front run the yellow lights? What the fuck? No, you don't front run the lights. What are you doing? Why are you front running the lights? The lights are there for a reason. Don't try to front run the lights.
Yeah, yeet. I just deleted that comment and I'm going to put you on timeout.
No, guys, stop trying to make it overcomplicated. The things that we bring up, I think you were saying this on the morning stream. It's like, no matter how simple Gabe makes it, somebody's always going to try and front run it. We're not front running it over here. We give you guys the tools to front run. Don't try to front run the front run. Be reactive, not predictive. Leave the predictions to Invictus and Pythagoras. They're better at it than you are.
Yeah. The light is the front run. Absolutely. Come on, man.
Whew.
What are people trying to do here? Like,
I don't know.
yeah.
Again, we break it down super simple for you guys every single day. It's up to you if you want to try and variate from that. You guys see it all the time. All these other idiots out there trying to do different things, and all those people that are trying to follow those people, do you know what happens? They just come back to us. And they come, they're like, wow, I tried to do this follow trading thing, and it doesn't work. You keep it simple, and you're going to have success, team.
But front running takes you to the promised land.
He's joking.
He better be. Keep it simple, stupid. Exactly. KISS method. Yeah. All right. So what I want you guys to do is just throw out some tickers if you're currently in a play so we can go ahead and look at it. Then we're going to open up the lines and get people to call on in, and let's rock and roll. Now, I talked about this, and I had the conversation with STV yesterday. It was, you cannot front run a traffic light on the 1 minute. And we had that conversation yesterday. You just can't.
If you aren't having success with Invictus or the normal 5 minute, you do not need to be touching the 1 minute.
Yeah. Let's see.
Do we make a play as soon as the traffic light shows up? Depends. Usually I'm slinging it because I know where the risk is. If I see it and it confirms, that's the thing. You need the traffic light to confirm. So you need to see it. I would preferably, I want to see yellow, red, or yellow, green. And that, like, if it's a call, I want to see yellow, green, and then I'll take it. Or yellow, red, then I'll take it.
There you go. So, STV, how would you play this right now, right? So, the market gave you an opportunity here. And all that happened now is, like, if you're holding on to these contracts, and let's say, unfortunately, you were playing next day to expiration or Friday's expiration, I mean, geez.
On what, though? I mean, calls
on the SPY. So you're taking calls here from the traffic light on the SPY, but you can see price action is flirting with the 200 once again.
Oh, yeah, they're already up so much. Those are up a fuckload.
Oh, yeah. The winner says, sorry, Gabe, I was negative $4.20. Are you being cute there? You know, the 420 reference, bro? Come on. That's too exacting of a number.
I almost sent Gabe a position today where it was like up 6.9%. I was like, this is just silly. Why?
Yeah, it's pretty fucking wild. Let's see. H Diamond says, hey, Gabe, I had a quick question regarding your strategy for broken late. Do you sell if it breaks to 13, or do you hold all the way till you see the next light? I have two exit points, right? The first one is the 13. I'm going to give the 13 the benefit of the doubt. But if you get a clean break below the 13, now this is where we talk about candle close. And this is where we talk about levels here, right? Let me go ahead and let's do this. Let's bring up the chart here. This is actually a great example.
I have a way to do this too. After you go, I have a very easy way to distinguish the two.
Okay. So in this situation, right, let's look at this candle here, this wick. At some point, the candle body came below the 13, right? That's why you see the wick there. It ended up closing above. The thing is that I'm going to wait for a candle close. Now, if I see a candle close below the 13, kind of like this here, you guys see this here? That's a whole candle close below the 13. I'm going to exit my position, right? But if I'm seeing stuff like this, you know, where it's just rim jobbing the 13, I will hold on to a traffic light. That's just the way I would play it. How would you do it, STV?
So here's how I do it. If I haven't scaled out yet, I'm using the 13 on the 1 or the 5 minute. If I haven't scaled out, that's what I'm using. Basically to keep the risk tighter on a larger position than what it would be if I scaled some of it out. Once I scale out and I start to see the trades run, then I'm playing traffic light to traffic light. Yes. Because I've already realized gains, and odds are by the time you see the next traffic light, you're still going to be up a lot. It's going to be up to you if the trade goes wildly in your favor, where you want to start scaling out more or taking profits. But that's kind of how I look at it. If I'm in with the whole size position that I want to be in with, I'm using the 13. After I scale out, I'm playing traffic light to traffic light.
There you go. Also, I want to show you guys something as well. This is something that is really, really, really overlooked, and this is something that I love about TradingView. So, for instance, you see this candle here? Let's imagine that this candle right here is showing a traffic light, right? A yellow light. What I'm essentially doing is I'll wait until maybe the last 15 seconds, as we see right here, last 15 seconds, to start looking for my entry on that candle. Chances are within the last 15 seconds, the candle will close yellow if it's in fact already yellow, right? Which sets you up for optimal entry on the next candle. Okay, that's just me. That's the way I look at it, right? I'm always setting myself up to get in on that candle. So if I got 10, 15 seconds left, that's what I'm doing. Okay, that's on a 5 minute. On the 1 minute, more of the same. Although the 1 minute can move much, much faster. So you probably want to limit yourself to candle close on the 1 minute. Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. Let's see. What do we have here? What do you do if you get a large, fast-moving candle? Still wait to close? Yes. A large, fast-moving candle, if you're going to chase it, you're chasing it, right? So you get a big boom, boom candle. So here's the problem with that. Whenever you get a big boom, boom candle, you might get a doom, doom candle right next to it. It might just come right back down, or maybe halfway through that first, that first candle. Okay. So you don't ever want to put yourself in that position where you chased into a candle and then the immediate candle after retraces, right? Because it happens all the time. What do you call that? Is that an engulfing candle? Is that what we call it?
It would be, yeah. It would be engulfing. If it
Yeah.
shoots up and then the next one comes down more, yeah, that would be engulfing.
Yes. You don't want that. That's right. We ain't trying to catch knives here.
Nope.
Kanaka said, never noticed the clock counting down. Are you kidding me?
Clock's nice. I like the clock.
It really does help you.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay. So no one's throwing out tickers there for us to.
Yeah, I think a lot of everybody already made their money. Like again, I mean, the thing is too is if you're up over 1-2% on the day, what's the stop, bro? Like what are you doing at that point? But I know you guys have been killing it, man. Again, I mean, those of you guys that are lurking in here, you get your 2 weeks for free. Remember, do not get left behind. Those prices are going to go up eventually. The 2 week free trial is not going to be here forever. Right now, the 69 is technically discounted from what it was 2 months ago at 96. You guys all know the deal with the lifetime thing now. You have until the 1st to secure it for 50% off. After that, it becomes the payment plan option. If you guys are on the sidelines, hop in, man. I mean, I know a lot of you guys are in other communities and you're not having success. I mean, we see that story time and time and time again.
Oh, we see it way too many times. Yeah. So here's the thing, right? Let's see. Before we get into that, each Diamond's asked a question. Hey guys, also quick question. What minimum amount of capital would you suggest starting with? I'm looking to save some money and then playing the strategy. We've seen people come in, it just all sizes. I would say like bare minimum is $1,000, right? Go have a garage sale, liquidate stuff, go sell your flat screen TV. You shouldn't be watching TV anyways. You should be focusing on personal development and making money. Now, number 2 is each Diamonds. Before you even think about money, make sure you're hanging out in paper trades, right? Make sure you're hanging out in paper trades. And I would say start with shares.
Yeah.
Right.
Close it down.
Yeah. Let's see. Hit on AMD TQQQ today. Happy with it. Daily Taylor, we're happy. You're happy.
There you go, man.
Let's see. Yeah, we got 242 people on the stream. This afternoon stream is pretty popping right now.
There's a lot of slackers though on the damn like button. You guys are just bad at this. I don't know what it is. We guys give you the keys to the kingdom, and all we ask for is that you hit the dang like button. Cost you nothing. Zero.
Nothing. Let's see. How about them Eagles, Gabe? You know what? My brother is trying to convince me to fly to Philly on fucking Saturday to go watch the game. But the nosebleed section, those seats are still going for $1,000 plus. I'm like, bro, Let's wait for the Super Bowl. If the Super Bowl happens, we'll go ahead and go to the Super Bowl. Those Super Bowl tickets right now are about $5,000. Now, that's with the assumption that the Kansas City Chiefs and the Eagles make it to the Super Bowl. Now, if you get something like, I don't know, the Bengals and the Eagles, I think those prices will dip considerably. I think you're paying a premium for the Andy Reid story, Kansas City and the Eagles. We'll see. We'll see. The 49ers going to take it out? Come on, the TI guy. I mean, I don't even think the Niners have a solution for the Eagles. The Eagles are just clicking on all cylinders right now. And I'm not an Eagles fan, but, I mean, it is what it is. Let's see.
Should we get the number up, do some call-ins?
Yes, let's do some call-ins since you guys are just like chilling here and just being mildly entertained by us degenerate assholes. So let's go ahead and do this. Maybe these call-ins will entertain us.
I think they will. Yellow light on Super Bowl tickets? Hey, if you hit a couple of the yellow lights, those Super Bowl tickets won't be too expensive relatively to you guys anymore. Those are, oh my God, dude. I live by these traffic lights. They're so nasty.
Yeah, they really are.
If you aren't using them, you're being left behind in the market, man. They're so, even on the chop day yesterday, it was nasty. It was in, out quick.
Yes.
I can't wait for the next trending day with them. Oh my God, we are going to kill it.
Yes. Brian, option snipers. Oh boy, not you again. STV, do you get in on the yellow dot or do you wait for the green or red right dot confirmation right after? Okay, so first off, the traffic lights, not dots, but
it depends. Usually this is the problem. I have a good understanding of when I know the lights are going to stick. So for everybody, I would wait for the confirmation. When I look at them, I'll be like, this is more likely to stick with a traffic light versus reversing. So sometimes I'll take it right on the light. But usually I like the best practice is going to be to wait for it to confirm. Like this one happening right now on the SPY is not confirming. I would not take that. I mean, you can if you want to. It's up to you if you want to gamble a little bit. But that's one to me where it's too tight. It's just going to flicker. So I would always wait for confirmation. So I'd see yellow, red, or yellow, green, and then go for
it. Nice. GDP, is that tomorrow?
Ooh, let me look. Is it?
Hendrix.
Yeah, it is. Real GDP for. Oh yeah, it is tomorrow. 8:30. Holy shit. Yeah.
Entrix or Enrix? I'm looking at Enrix right now. Another pharmaceutical.
Is this just sounds like a penny stock?
It's 12:36.
No, it's not. But I mean, the volume's pretty low. I probably wouldn't touch that.
No, wouldn't touch it. Yeah, who sent you? When someone goes ahead and drops like a pharmaceutical or a penny stock, I'm like, who sent you?
I know. We don't like biotechs. We hate penny stocks with a passion. Like I hate them. They're not helping anybody. It's almost like who plays the lottery most of the time? Lower income people, I would say. That's what penny stocks are. It's just bait. It's literally like what I used to talk about with the alligator's mouth. It's like you're sticking your head in the alligator's mouth continuously and expecting everything to be okay, and then complaining when the alligator snaps your head off. Why put your head in the alligator's mouth?
There you go. Let's look at Google really, really quick. You got a traffic light right here, but you also have a level. Google hasn't earned my respect for the day for me to commit my monies. I'm just being honest here. Right, I want to see a break of the 48, and then that gives me some room to run a whole dollar up to the blue pill line at 96.94. As it stands right now, like no, I'm not interested just yet.
Mm-hmm. Trader Joe bought NTNX. Yeah, Trader Joe's playing shares, so he's just following the technicals. He's buying shares. He's not trading options on it. So Trader Joe can take those plays and make money with it. I would tell you right now, if I looked at the NTNX option chain, it's probably horrendous. I probably wouldn't like it. The volume today is under 1 million. I've never heard of the stock. The volume on the option chains and the open interest is probably shit. So I'd be careful with that.
Oh, man. Okay, let's look at the SPY here. You see that 200? You see where the wick is? That means you had a candle body that broke. Right, but the 200 was like, excuse me, sir, wrong hole.
Yep.
So it got rejected. That's essentially what happened. So let's see, catch up to the comments here. Michael says, "Afternoon, guys. Those lights just too much. I was done until Microsoft started moving. Had to make an extra 25%. I'm sorry, it was too easy. Thanks, guys. What the hell?
2-week free trial team, trade1348.com. You want to join the winning team, or you want to keep hanging out with these losers that try to convince you that they're right all the time?
Yeah,
I don't care. I don't make predictions. I don't care. I have a bias, but I'm not coming in here and being like, it's gonna go here, and then we're all gonna be right, and then you're gonna love me. It's like, I don't give a fuck.
he
Play
don't
the
give a
damn
fuck.
chart.
He don't
I'm
give
just
a
gonna
fuck.
play my traffic lights and go buy a pista. Seriously.
Okay, so here's the thing, right? This is what we do here. We're a little different, right? You could go ahead and you could buy cheap quality, let's say sneakers, right? And you're like, okay, $20, right? But you're gonna need a new pair every 2 months, right? Along with that, you're probably gonna have ankle injuries, knee injuries, hip injuries, right? Just poorly made sneakers, right? And that's what those other communities are compared to us. Just poorly made sneakers. You know, growing up,
I would say that there's sneakers from like the dollar store, or like sneakers that have been beat up over 50 years, but that's a good
yeah,
deal.
yeah. But you know, it was I have my stepdad to thank for this. You know, it was like whenever I would do something and I would do it half ass, he would look at me. He was like, you know, if you're gonna do it right the first time,
Mhm.
right? And I think you know, a lot of you, if you're just lurking in these streams, you know, if you're gonna do it right the first time. You
Mhm.
know, fuck your emotional allegiance to any particular personality out there, right? Because at the end of the
Mhm.
day, they don't give a fuck about your portfolio. They're getting the super chats and they're getting the revenues. They're getting all that, right? No one's putting money back into your pocket the way we do.
Mhm.
I think that that is a legitimate statement, right?
Mhm.
Listen,
Malachi has a good question here too. I think he's curious. He's been lurking. Has anyone made any money following these guys? I don't know the first thing about trading, but willing to spend homework if it's worth it. So here's the thing: it's not following us; it's following our system. But the second thing is too, I'm the only person on YouTube. Gabe is in this interview as well, so Gabe is roped into that. When I say we're the only people on YouTube with an interview of one of the members of their community, and again, we have a platform. We're not a Discord. We have a platform that also has a Discord. Um, so we're the only people with an interview with one of their members that turned $8,000 into $1 million. We're going to continuously do these millionaire member interviews. You guys see it in the live chats all the time. A lot of people printing using our tools in the strategy that we teach. Again, you get that 2-week free trial if you want to hop in, access to everything. We don't hold anything back from you.
yeah, yeah. Let's see. I've been losing money, but I believe in the system. Default lies with B. I need to. Well, listen. The system isn't just going to go ahead and change who you are, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's like, what do they say? All right, this is the best way to say it, right? You know, they say guns don't kill people, people kill people,
Mm-hmm.
right? So the gun's the tool, and if you're a malicious fuck, you're going to go ahead and kill people and, you know, give the gun a bad name. The same thing with the strategy, right? The strategy is a very potent and dangerous strategy, but you're the one pulling the trigger, right? You have to go ahead and respect the power you have underneath your thumbs because that's essentially what it is. You guys are playing on like 5.8-inch screens, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So,
JG Wentworth says the wife kicked me out of the Discord because of all the hot women in there. Oh man, you guys are funny. And Lori, congratulations, just became a lifetime member. Shout out to you, Lori.
Lori became a lifetime member? Our
Yeah.
Lori? Lori,
Yeah.
Lori?
Ungroovy Gaming says, hey, I've made more money just lurking here, which is what pushed me to join. That alone should speak for itself. Yeah, man. I mean, you guys are killing it. Don't get left behind. Prices are going to be going up at some point. We're going to pull that free trial at some point as well. Get in when you still can.
Wait, Taco Lori just became lifetime? Lori, I love you. Woo, Lori, I love you. All right, them tacos are about to taste a lot better. Yum, yum, yum.
821 will get you in much earlier. So here's the thing about 920, 921. Yeah, it'll get you in a little bit earlier sometimes. Not earlier than my the 1 minute traffic light. That will never happen. But it's going to be a lot more choppy. It's a little bit too quick for most people. That's why we use 1348. It has been studied as the most profitable EMA crossover, and it's a lot smoother, especially for newbies. If you want to subject yourself and you're more of a pro trader, you can use that. We could probably incorporate some of that as well. But it's a lot quicker and it's harder to catch up on as a new trader. That's why we use 1348, Invictus, and everything like that. Plus, Invictus is going to front run you anyway. So I don't know what to say.
Yeah. That's what he's going to do. All right, one more ticker, and then I'm opening up the lines, and then we got to kick STV out of here, and then you guys got to go be DGens on his live stream. So give me one more ticker to look at. By the way, if we look at the SPY really quickly, you could see there's a lot of hesitation here at the 200. This doesn't look good to me. I'm going to go ahead and look at the 1 minute, and the 1 minute is just chugging along, but as it stands, again, does not look good to me. The 1 minute is literally respecting this level here, along with the 200 on the 5 minute. Take all those things into consideration. You can, in fact, secure the bag. You have no obligation to sit there and see if this is going to make you a millionaire, because I'm going to tell you right now, it's not. This play will not make you a millionaire, so you have no obligation to hold. You made some money, stack those gains, keep it moving. All right, so
Invictus is at 72% today.
Invictus is
not bad, man.
Freaking beast. Now let's go ahead and show everybody what Invictus is, right? So here you go. You got Invictus. It is alerting 72% win rate today. It's giving you the ticker, and it's giving you your options, right? It's doing all the thinking for you. For those who are sitting on the sideline like, well, I'm scared of options. Well, first off, you could go ahead and trade shares. That's one. Mm-hmm. That's probably the easiest, safest way of playing. It really is, right? Otherwise, you could go ahead and play options, but instead of going way out of the money and gambling, we give you strategic options. This here is DraftKings, and we break it down for you. We let you know how tight the spreads are. We show you the open interest. Mm-hmm. We give you the volume, last sold at, theta, IV, gamma. You're getting it all right here. It's a one-stop shop. Like, come on. Mm-hmm. You know what? Unusual Wells, bring me all that smoke, bro, because I'm coming after you. Like, seriously. Does Unusual Wells provide anything actionable, but yet he has 80,000 people in his community? How? Doesn't make sense. I guess,
nope.
You know,
we have it too. We have all the real-time unusual options activity as well. We got everything, team.
Yeah, let's show them that. Let's show them that, right? Because, you know, we pay a pretty penny for what we do here, right? Mm-hmm. We're going to go ahead. You guys want unusual options data? Let's go ahead and look at NVIDIA. There goes your unusual options data right here. All of it, baby. Let's fucking go. What's your competitive advantage, Unusual Whales? Because we're here taking this data, making it actionable. You got your latest news, you get your latest 1348 activity, and you're getting your latest sentiment. Bullish, bearish, 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 bullish, bearish, bullish, bullish, bullish. Anyways, yeah, we can't be stopped. We're bringing you guys the best product and service out there, hands down. Now, I'm going to ask you straight up, is your other Discord giving you all this pretty bit of information? No.
No.
Are they printing the way we're printing? No.
Not even close.
Do they have two traders that guide you to victory each and every day? No.
I see another question in here. Yeah, yes, the trading Somnium or whatever your name is. Yeah, there is a link to the trading view chart. Everybody gets that in their free trial. All you have to do is go into any one of the alerts sent out anywhere in the Discord, in the platform, anything. You can click on the chart. It pulls up the chart. You can copy it and then save it. And everybody gets that for free too. You all right over there?
No, 148 Bully said 1348 made my account run up 500% this month alone. No cap.
What? 500%, buddy?
In a month.
Jesus.
In a month. That means he's been consistent. Right? There's no fluke in that. He's been consistent. That is wild. I'm thinking about lifetime member. Hurry up and join before I raise the price on you. All right. So anyways, let's go back to the chart. For those who are wondering how you get the charts, it's really this simple, right? You go ahead and you see this link right here, 1348 custom chart download. That's where you're going to get our traffic lights, our crossovers, our levels, our customized MACD, our customized RSI, and ADX. These are fully custom charts that are custom built for the system. If you're trading without it, you're handicapping yourself. Okay? Absolutely handicapping yourself.
Ooh. You just pulled up on the screen something interesting too. The lifetime bonus right now, the red light runner and the broken traffic light. You guys are getting alerts. All you lifetimers are getting alerts on the daily and the 4 hour of the traffic lights for 2 weeks before everybody else.
Yeah, and they're filthy. Ryan Brown that said the worst thing about 1348 is it made me pay crap ton of taxes. I'm good with that.
It happens, man. Taxes are a good problem to have. It sucks, but it is what it is. It means you're going to be making good money. Congratulations, dude.
Is lifetime a tax write-off? Talk to your accountant. I don't know. I mean, this is educational, but we're not registered as, any type of educational entity. But
you'd have to like classify yourself as a trader and do all that nonsense, but talk to your accountant on how to do that. Dude, I'm so bad with taxes. I just send them my stuff and I'm like, what do I owe? I'll write the check. Leave me alone. I just get it out of here. I don't want to deal with it anymore.
I'm going to send the government their taxes in fucking quarters. That's what I'm going to do.
Dude, that's going to take like a fleet of 18 wheelers for you. Jesus.
Dude, like Uncle Sam just pisses me off each and every month. I'm just like, I'm ready to just move to Dubai. Like, I'm giving the government more than they deserve, and that hurts.
They're just sending it to Ukraine. If I wanted to give money to Ukraine, I would have done it. I didn't, so I don't.
Jesus.
I'd spend the money better than they would.
All that money I'm paying in taxes, and they can't get the teleprompter in front of Biden to keep him from speaking gibberish. It's just mind-blowing to me.
It's crazy, dude. We live in a clown world.
All right, trend to trades. Bring it, bro. 978-545-1348. We want you on this call, brother. Let's fucking go.
Let's do it.
All right, trade1348.com is how you join.
And you get 2 weeks for free. It's linked at the top of the live chat.
There you go. Trade the trends. We're waiting for you, brother. When do lifetimers get the traffic lights? Right now.
You have them now. If you just joined as a lifetimer, you're going to have to message one of us and we'll send you the links to it.
There you go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's do it. And we're going to get him on the mic here. And you are live.
What's up,
Thanks
guys?
for calling in.
What's up, buddy?
What's up? Just trade the trend.
What's up,
What's
brother?
up, dude? How you doing?
All right. Hey, I mean the 1 minute traffic lights. I've been hitting it pretty good, but I'm kind of like hesitant sometimes because I'm not really consistent. I hit some good ones, but then sometimes I get stopped out most of the time. I did a trade this morning on Spire around the candle was 10:15.
Yeah,
Actually,
I remember
it was
that
the second candle, 10:16. Okay,
Yeah.
so like it broke. It gave you the traffic light on 10:15, but then I entered in 10:16 when the green candle finished below the 13. And then it shot up and hit my stop loss right there at that 13.
So here's
But then a few minutes later, it came right back down.
All right.
Yeah.
Here's how I look at these. With the traffic lights, my entries, I'm always trying to get them as close to the 13 as I can. So
Okay,
I
see,
like the
see,
traffic
okay.
lights that are close to the 13. So if you look at the second 1 minute traffic light of the day, I was all over that one because it's tight. Do you see that?
Oh yeah,
How the
I hit
wrist
that
is
one
tight?
too. The first one. Yeah, the first one on the Spire. Yeah, I hit that one. I hit the first one. Yeah.
Trade to trends. Do me a favor, right? You're not a pilot. You sound like you're a pilot right now. You're coming in real muffled. Right.
Oh, hold on. Okay, let me turn my truck off. No, my bad. I'm at work. Let me turn my truck off. I'll take my truck off.
No, you're good. Just relax. Just relax a little bit. It's fine.
Calm down,
We
calm
got to walk
down.
you through this because this is a very, very key point that you have to understand.
Yep. There you go.
So
Okay.
when I'm looking at so I played the first 2 traffic lights of the day. I won on both. Even though the first one doesn't look like you had made that much money on. Remember, I'm using the stop loss strategy. So it shoots, I scale out, I move the stop to break even. I don't care what happens next. Second one was really good too.
Okay.
I didn't take the third one or the second or the fourth one, but they didn't look all that good to me. And we were going over this on the stream mainly because we were seeing a lot of craziness in the market, and where the traffic lights were alerting on the 1 minute specifically is the price was just too far away from the 13. This is why I've been saying, if you're not like super disciplined and super in control of your risk management, don't touch the 1 minute, because you have to be super careful with your entries. I'm trying to enter them as close to the 13 as I can, because if I'm using the 13 as my risk, the risk is like 2%. It's nothing.
Exactly. Okay, so I also want, what were we talking about? What time? 10:15?
Yeah.
10:15. Okay. So I want to show you this here really, really quickly. At 10:15, you do have a traffic light, and it's, again, very, very far away from the 13, right? It's fairly far away from the 13. But you also have a level that printed there. So considering that you have a candle so far away from the 13, and it's almost like you have equal risk, equal reward here, if you're looking at it, right? Because if you're going to say, all right, I'm going to take my profit here at this level at 394.22, this is essentially a coin flip at this point, right? Now, here is the deal. Here's the deal here, right? On the 1 minute, you have the 13 and the 48 to act as your stop, right? But here's the deal. Right, let me show you something here. Right, when you go ahead and you look at the 5 minute, you have to ask yourself a question. Was that morning chop worth it? You see the morning chop here. We say, hey guys, if you see this morning chop here in a 5 minute, you played on the 1, right? But you also still have to expect.
Yeah.
Gabe, that's yesterday.
Oh, that was yesterday?
Yeah, that's yesterday.
Oh, no, it's not. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
that was Tuesday.
There you go.
You just got to scroll over.
That's
it. Now
yeah.
you're good.
So here you go. You got the trend down. Okay, so now this goes ahead and just changes the narrative. You have a dominant trend down on the 5 minute, which could have kept you kept you calmer, right? But you were playing to the upside, I'm assuming, right?
Yeah. No. I was playing to the downside.
Yeah, that was a downside one on the 1 minute. The main thing on that one is literally just the distance between price and the 13 on the 1 minute.
Ah, okay. So you got stopped out. Stopped out at what percent?
I read it up. I think it was like 6%, 5%. It's small, real small.
That's great. I love that. That's a win. In my book, that's a win. You stopped out at 6, you're out. The next trade that you're taking on, especially the 1 minute traffic lights, is most likely going up over 6%.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So that's really good that you're able to identify when the trade's going against you. You have your risk predefined, 6% loss, out. That is awesome. That's what I want everybody to do.
Right. So here's the thing, right? 6% stopped out here. You go ahead and let's say 6% stopped out here, but then you take this trade, and this one's going to go ahead and bring you well over 20%.
Well over 6, yeah.
This is
now what I do with my stop is like, because I don't trust myself. Like I could have a mental stop loss, but it's gonna hit it, and I'm like not really sell. So I just put a hard stop. So if it hit it, it hit it. You know, I don't trust myself yet.
Good.
So I just put a hard stop. I put a dollar amount and I put a hard stop. So yeah.
That's really good. Most people don't have emotional control in order to have a mental stop. You got to set it beforehand. That is perfect.
Yeah, that is perfect. Just understand the nature of the 1 minute is like with the 1 minute, guys, you can lose 3 trades. And as long as they're 4% losses each trade, eventually you're going to go ahead and hit that banger on a traffic light. That's going to go ahead and recover all those losses, right? But if you go ahead and you allow those 3 trades to go 10, 15% each and every time, now you're 45% upside down, and even a move like this is not going to save you. Mm-hmm. This move will not save you. So essentially what you're doing is you're managing your risk with the assumption if I get it wrong, but I could keep it moving because I'm eventually going to get this right. And the return on getting it right, especially with a 1 minute, is just insane.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I love it, man. I love it. This thing really works. But what I'm gonna do now, like I'm gonna take what you guys say, like when I'm entering, try to enter as close as to the 13 as possible. I think that's gonna give me a little bit more.
Mm-hmm. Now, it doesn't have to be right on
Yeah,
it. Like
close to the
if there's
same
like
thing.
20 cents of risk or something, that's okay. You just need to be like in,
Yeah, I
because
understand, I
the one
understand
that
what
you
you're saying.
took,
Yeah.
it was like
Right.
40, 45, 50 cents of risk.
Yeah. Now I have to
Yeah, it's
ask you
far
this.
too far. Yeah.
I have to ask you this. Let's see. What are your expirations?
Oh no, this one I was trading next week Friday. Today's Wednesday, so I
Great.
was trading the next week.
You are doing everything right. I love this. I fucking
But I
love
was trading the
Trade1348.
SPY. I was trading the SPY using the TQQ though. Like I have a small account, so I was using TQQQ.
Oh, that's so fine. I mean, I would say if you're looking at TQQ, if you're trading TQQQ, we'll watch TQQQ.
Yes.
Like keep SPY up,
Okay.
like and have both of them, but you got to watch the thing that you're trading.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it. But
Yeah,
Trade to
that's it.
Trends,
Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys.
we
Appreciate
see
all
you
the
in the
help.
comments there, man. You're doing really, really well over there. We see you in the comments. That's why we were
Yeah,
just
appreciate
excited to have you on.
I appreciate you guys, man. Keep up the good work.
Thank you, man.
Thanks, bro.
All right, guys. Later.
Jeez.
Later, buddy. And swingings, no, I'm never trading same day. And if I do, it's a very rare occasion where I'm just fucking around. No, I'm not trading daily.
And he's sizing for zero.
Exactly. If I'm trading dailies, I'm trading with less than like 0.5% of my account. It's nothing.
Yeah, I mean that's playground money.
Yeah.
There you go.
Trying to
We
make the playground
have we
money.
have Los Angeles calling in, but we only got 5 minutes before your live stream. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna have to turn this off and let STV get ready for his live stream. You guys follow along with STV. Tune on in. Make sure you guys check out trade1348.com. And if you're considering a lifetime, now is the time to do it, right? We've been very, very lenient in showing appreciation to our OGs with the 50% promo. However, those who were requesting installments outnumbered those who were willing to join as an OG, and that's fine. We get it. We understand it. But if you don't want to pay the APR premium, go ahead. You have between now and February 1st to secure 1348 and also gain access to red light runners and the broken traffic lights, which will pay dividends between now and when we bring this out from beta to public. There's a lot of money to be made. And so then that is our gift to you as OGs since, like, hey, you're like, all right, I'm going to spend $1,348. Like, we're putting you in the best position to make that.
And you
money
get the
back.
Sunday master classes.
Yes, Sunday master classes as well. At the end of the day, we're giving you guys a lot more than you deserve because there's no Discord. $50.
We've transcended Discord. We just have a Discord now. We're a platform.
We're a platform now, yeah. We have a community, a massive community, a beautiful community, great people. Everyone leans on one another. But when you compare the dollar value to other communities, man, I just might randomly one day go on a website and just change the price to $500 a month.
That's what I said. Don't get left behind, team. I mean, it's an absolute steal right now. And those of you guys going in for lifetime that want the 50%, it's listed at $26.99. Just use the code OG lifetime at checkout, and it basically gives you a 50% discount to 1348.
Jay Styles is getting lifetime. He's messaging Diana right now. Well,
Congratulations, buddy. You're going to be stuck with me forever.
Yeah.
Me screaming risk management shit at you all the time. Hope you're ready.
Yeah. You're stuck with us now. Like a nasty word on the bottom of your foot. Anyways, we are signing out. Love you guys bunches. Peace.
Peace.
And STV. We're still live right now. Any bloopers you want to provide them?
No.
No?
No.
No?
No bloopers today. Oh,
No?
fucking spy, bro. I can't believe this thing is still running.
Yeah, it's still running, yeah. But in